Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was accused of domestic violence. Domestic violence attorney, San Mateo. Domestic violence lawyer, San Mateo. Arrested for domestic violence, San Mateo. Criminal attorney, San Mateo. Criminal lawyer, San Mateo. Let's see. Domestic violence. What do I do so that my husband's charge gets dismissed or reduced? I was the one who wanted to hit him, and I ended up hitting myself. The police intimidated me, and I lied to them. Well, here's the deal. We have a little bit of an issue here. Because you could go to court, the matter could be set for trial, you could go to court and you could testify exactly that. You could testify that you made up the story, and you did it because you felt intimidated, etc., etc., etc. Well, here's the deal. Problem is, eventually, the DA may approach you as the victim and say, hey, look, are you lying now in court, or did you lie before? Because that puts you at a dilemma as the victim. Because if you're lying now, well, you can get in trouble for perjury. It's a felony. Carries up to 3 years prison. But if you're lying before, you still be charged with a misdemeanor for lying to the police. So it's a situation where you might be putting yourself at risk, and there's no guarantee that your husband will be acquitted. There's a good chance, but there's no guarantee. So you're really, the victim here may be putting her neck in a noose, so to speak. But obviously, you know, some people will philosophize that honesty is the best policy, and it would be very unfair for the husband who may not have done anything to get convicted of the crime. But this is really a dilemma that it's going to be up to the victim. But you have to be aware of the risk that if you did lie to the police, you could be charged with making a false report, and that's still a misdemeanor that carries up to a year in county jail. So you have to be aware of that. You really need to talk to the attorney who's representing your husband, because you really need to weigh the risks versus because it's possible that your husband could still be convicted even if something he didn't do. So you are taking a bit of a gamble here, but that's essentially the situation, and it's going to have to be a cost-benefit analysis is going to have to be done here. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was selling counterfeit products. Criminal lawyer San Mateo, criminal attorney San Mateo, domestic violence lawyer San Mateo, domestic violence attorney San Mateo. See you on our next video.